Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Thursday. It's Pie Day. Happy Pie Day. So, yesterday and last night, I prepared a white lasagna. The story behind it is I was wanting to do something different. So I decided, hey, I think a white lasagna would be fun. So did the research. Robin helped with the research. And that's why I did a white lasagna yesterday. It's very good. It's built just like your typical Italian lasagna. It's just not red sauce. But this particular recipe uses Italian sausage. A lot of the recipes we looked at were using chicken. We decided to go the Italian sausage route. It was very yummy. We've got plenty of leftovers. I even had 2 nice servings. Yum. So, tonight, I'm not cooking. We have declared that it is leftover night here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. We've got the white lasagna. We have shipwreck stew. We have just, yeah. my cold box has plenty. There it is. I will get the recipe posted up for this white lasagna after I make some notes and change a few things that I did. Yes, I casual chefed it, but not too bad. Or too good. Oh, you know what I mean. So, on this Pie Day, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking. Phenomena.